Motorcycle Yamaha. R15 key cutting by bidding via to M to tank CNC key cutting machine. Turn on the machine at first. First of all, connect the machine by Bluetooth. And then click Key Database. Enter motorcycle key. Find the motorcycle Yamaha, and then look for the model R15. This is laser key. Here is the guide picture. We'll install the original key on the clamp. Click Continue. We have to get key bidding, and then click Identify. Go on Continue. Key biddings appeared. And then change the key blank. If all is ready, click Cut. One side is finished. Same way, click Cut on Application and continue to cut. Compare between them and try to turn the lock. Perfect cutting!